Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ron. When it comes to FPV maintenance, having the right tools can make all the difference. One such tool for your FPV motors is some grip pliers for your prop removal. Something like these here. You can see these, all right? So these pliers are specifically designed to provide a firm grip on your brushless motors, helping FPV pilots remove and install their propellers more easily. But the question remains, are they actually necessary? Do you need them? Or are they just something else to take up some space in your bag? So again, these FPV motor grip pliers are specifically designed to hold the FPV motor securely while installing or removing your props. They work by clamping onto the motor bell, preventing it from spinning while you're tightening or loosening the prop nuts. Now, this can be particularly useful for pilots dealing with high torque motors or those stubborn props, the prop nuts that just don't want to come off or they get locked in place. So if you're new to FPV, well, sooner or later, you're going to run into some pesky prop nut that just doesn't want to budge or come off. And I'm sure there's plenty of other ways to remove a stubborn prop nut, but like they say, having the right tool for the job is really everything, right? So like they say, don't complicate your life if you don't have to. Have the right tool for the job and just simplify your life, make things a little bit easier. And to be quite honest and forward, I've been tightening and locking down and removing my props, removing them, installing them without these particular pliers. Not a big deal, but sometimes those motors are a little slippery or you've got something on your hands that makes it hard to grip those motor bells, and it's just hard to get the props either locked completely down or removing them. So a while back, Joshua Bardwell actually did a video, something like this, where you can take some electrical tape, wrap it around the motor in the opposite direction, which you're turning it, then wrap a little bit around the quad arm itself to keep the motor from spinning, just to get it kind of locked into place. And then you should be able to remove any kind of stubborn prop nut as well. I think Joshua said he got the trick from Drew Camden a few years back. So I just want to mention that. If you haven't seen that, there's another video out there. So real quick, let's just go over a couple quick pros to using grip pliers like these, right? First, they prevent motor damage. Holding your motors by your hand while you're forcing or removing the prop with the nut can risk damaging the delicate windings or bending the motor shaft itself. Grip pliers help kind of distribute the force a little more evenly. And if you take a closer look at that, you'll see they have some little grippies inside there that kind of disperse the weight a little more evenly. Second, and the most obvious, is easier prop removal, right? High torque motors can make prop nuts extremely tight, and sometimes standard wrenches or just your hand strength or grip just isn't enough to get the leverage that you need. And that's where the pliers are just a little bit better. And then thirdly, obviously, they're quick and convenient, right? For those who swap props quickly, racers, racing pilots, freestyle pilots, testing different prop styles, taking them on, taking them off. The tool can just speed up the process and not beat your hands up quite as much. You know what it's like trying to take these on and off. Sometimes you just kind of getting in there is a little tough, and just kind of feel like you're nicking up your knuckles. At least I do sometimes. And then the last one, obviously, reduce hand fatigue. Again, swapping out a lot of motors depending what you're doing. Instead of like pinching the motor bell with your fingers and applying counter pressure, the tool just does the job a little bit better, right? So the real question here is, do you need them? Are they necessary? Now, while the motor grip pliers are undoubtedly useful, they're not absolutely necessary for every FPV pilot. And here's why. Many pilots use alternating methods. A standard prop wrench, a firm grip, a little patience is usually enough to put the motors on or take the motors off. Second reason you may not want them or need them is it's just something else to carry, right? If you're a minimalist and you like as little as possible in your FPV bags, adding another tool may not be something that you want to do. And then thirdly, you have cost versus need. If you frequently struggle with prop removal, then yeah, they're probably worth it. If you don't, probably not worth it. It's that simple. So real quick, what's my final verdict on these particular pliers? If you find yourself constantly struggling with prop nuts or concerned about damaging your motors or nicking up your hands, getting props on and off, the RC motor grips like these are certainly a solid addition to your FPV toolkit, to your FPV bag. So they're certainly worth it. I'm glad I got mine. I think they're definitely going to come in handy. I've got a lot of different FPVs, as you can see behind me. I'm constantly taking props on and off. So for me, they're definitely going in my bag. They really don't take up a lot of space, and it's just like anything else, having the right tool for removing props Just like anything you're doing on your quad, having the right tool just makes it that much easier. However, if you're rarely struggling with prop changes, then this tool is probably not necessary for you. So for anyone interested in these particular pliers, I will leave the link for you down below. You can check those out if you want. These work very well. And that's really it for this video. I hope you got some value out of it. If you did, feel free to leave a like. It's always appreciated. And I'll see everybody in the next video. See you soon.